We are going to cook all together later on, but we have to remove these due to the delicious should be inside of the mouth, not to have anything like that. In every case, you have to think, how do you want to taste the meat? If you are going to marinate it or not, if you are going to just cook it or not. You don't need this, it's not delicious at all. No need to cook, no need to eat, nothing, just throw it away. You have to ask whether you will check this meat bone, and inside there is another very cute thing that you are going to eat it or not. So it's another delicious thing, but you have to boil it. So it depends if you are going to boil it or not. So we see the meat color isn't very much delightful maybe, because it's not very young lamb, so it is kind of maybe sheep or something smaller but bigger, or older maybe. It's not very much young. See the meats, it's not too much young, it's not too much old, it's fine. So we are going to do what? We are going to just clean this up, as you can see, and then to see whether we can remove the meat from the bones and cook the bone different pot and cook the meat in different pot. So indeed it's up to you always what do you wish to do with the meat. And that's it, folks. Like this, we have separated, we are going to just try to cook.